This is a 2006 Toyota Tacoma regular cab with 122,000 miles. Extremely clean truck. Great gas mileage. This would be perfect for a work truck, company truck. Not a door ding or a scratch on it. In very, very good condition. Tires are like new. It's a basic truck. Bed liner. It is running. It needs absolutely nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Like every one of our vehicles, it goes to our shop and we do 125 plus pre-owned inspection. No accidents, not a door ding or a scratch on this thing. Very clean.
Well, major upgrade from that tricycle sponsor we used to have. From the DallasTruckWorld.com studios.
Transmission, 122,000 miles.
100.3 Jack FM.
So this is a 2006 Toyota Tacoma regular cab, 122,000 miles, in absolutely phenomenal condition. Needs nothing. Perfect truck for company or work.